Okay, so today the star of the show is, once again, the vegan cheddar cheese from Judy's Vegan Cheddar Flavor, and it's from judysglutenfree.com. Anyway, I'm also trying out this strange looking tofu that we got from Costco the other day. So let's come over here and figure out how to open this thing. It is very strange, as I said before. Turn. Here we go. So it's in a carton, and I've only seen these things like for milk. So this is really odd. You're supposed to cut it through there apparently, and there, and then cut it through here to get it out. And there it is, the tofu is in there. Wow. So I guess I'm gonna have to dump it and then cut it on a board or something. But that's kind of interesting, right? Alright, so in the next video I'll do that.